The chuck is the part that holds the bit or the screwdriver bit. You can see there are 3 jaws there. When I turn this, they open, creating a bigger hole. If I turn it in the opposite direction, they close to create a smaller hole for thinner drill bits. And if you are brave, you can grab it like that, depress the button and open it fast or close it fast. Okay? So if I open it like that, I can insert the thicker drill and hold that again. Okay, and then you can just tighten the chuck like that, and then you're ready to drill. If you want to loosen it, grab it, loosen it like that, and now I'm going to insert a thinner one. There you can see the hole there is much smaller, which can take a thinner drill. You have to open it a little bit more. Okay, when you do this one, it often happens that you grab the drill between 2 of the jaws and then it is not aligned. It can be skewed. So be careful to put it right in the middle whilst turning that, and then you can tighten it the same way, and then you're ready to drill again. Okay, here we have an example of the, I always say old school chuck, but of course you still get them. As you can see, it works similar. This turns like that, or like that, but it takes a long time. You can also grab it lightly like that to push out the jaws, you see, or reverse them, but just grab them lightly, because if you grab it too tight, that might just hurt you. Okay, I'm going to insert a thicker drill. There's a thicker drill. Grab it lightly until it's close, and then you tighten it with a chuck key, like that. Just insert it properly there in, and then you turn it. Okay, if you want to loosen it, of course, it's the opposite direction, anti-clocks. Take it out, and then you pretend to be brave, grab this lightly, and push the jaws out so that you can put a smaller one in. Okay, and if you open them too far, it can happen that it grabs between 2 jaws instead of 3. It's not centered, so you have to be careful to get it right in the center. And then you tighten it again. But as you can see by now, it is much easier to use the new kind of chuck.